Welcome to Falcon Academy. I am only VJ, and today I am going to teach you MS Excel lecture number 59. Today we will talk about some special commands, starting with how to hide the zero values in your data. After that, secondly, we will learn how to keep only the text and hide all the numeric numbers. Third, I will teach you how to keep only the numbers and hide the text. And fourth, I will show you how to automatically hide any data you enter so that nothing remains visible and everything is hidden automatically. I am going to teach you how this works today. As always, before starting the lecture, I would like to say that if you learn something new from this video, don't forget to like and share it. So, let's start today's lecture. First, I want to talk about how I have intentionally added zeros in some values here and I want to hide them. So, select all the cells where you have zeros. After that, what you need to do is either right click on them and click on Format Cells, which will open a dialog box, or you can press Ctrl+1 on the keyboard, which will also open it, or you can click on Home and then click on this arrow in the Numbers group, which will also open the same dialog box. Let's click here and then you will see General written here. You need to remove that. After that, type 0 semicolon, 0 semicolon, then double semicolon, and then add the plus sign. After you click OK, you will see that wherever there was a 0, it will automatically disappear. You won't see zeros anywhere. If you want to bring them back, select the cells, press Ctrl+1 on the keyboard, click here, delete this and click OK, and the zeros will show again. Similarly, if you want to hide numeric numbers and keep only the text, select the data once, then press Ctrl+1 or right click and go to Format Cells. Then click on Custom, and where it says General, delete that, and after deleting, we will write here. In this, type 3 semicolons, 123, and then type Add. After that, as soon as you click OK, you will see that all the numbers have disappeared. No numbers are being shown here at all. If you want to show them again, you need to click on the arrow here once more, then go to Custom. Click here, delete this and click OK, and the numbers will be visible again. In this way, you can both hide and show the numbers as needed. Apart from hiding numbers, at number 3, I'm going to teach you how to hide only the text. If you don't want to hide the numbers, then for that, we select the same data again. After selecting, press Ctrl+1 or right click and then click on Format Cells, then go to Custom, and where it says General, delete that. After that, type 0 semicolon 0 semicolon and 0 and semicolon. Now, as soon as you click OK, you'll see that the text has disappeared and now you only have the numbers left. The text is gone. To bring it back, right click after selecting all the cells, go to Format Cells, then go to Custom and delete what's there. After that, when you click OK, you'll see that everything is visible again. In the same way, if we want whatever we write in these cells to be hidden, you can select the entire sheet here, and whatever data you write here will also be hidden. After applying the command, your data will automatically be hidden. For now, what I want is that in this table, whatever we write, whether it's text or numbers, it should automatically be hidden. To do this, what we need to do is right click on it, then go to Format Cells, then go to Numbers, and then select Custom. After that, you need to remove this here. You need to enter a semicolon 3 times, and as soon as you click OK, you'll see that both the numbers and the text have disappeared. Now, whatever you write here, for example, if I type first, K, 4, 5, you'll see that it keeps getting hidden. Or if I type onion here and press enter, it gets hidden as well. Similarly, if I write rice here, you'll see that rice is also being hidden. Now, how do you make it visible again? We'll select this data again, select all the cells. After selecting, press Ctrl+1 from the keyboard, then go to Custom, and then remove the semicolons from here. As soon as you click OK, all the previously hidden data will be shown. So this was my current trick, in which I taught you how you can remove zeros, remove numbers, remove text, and how you can hide or show both text and numbers from here. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. See you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.